Hi, my name is Lucie. Welcome back to our channel psychoDOLLogist, where we do and talk all things fashion dolls. So dolls, what are we gonna do today? Well, today this is a Integrity Toys video. So we're gonna do all things Integrity dolls, and it's gonna be lots of fun. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna look at some of my new IT dolls. We're going to unbox 3 of them, and we're going to wash other 3 that are secondhand. We're gonna wash them, fix their hair, we're gonna fix their eyelashes. They're messy, trust me. And we're gonna dress those dolls into beautiful, luxurious, handmade clothes. And then we're going to display all of them. Well, make sure to stick till the end because you do want to know how I fix the eyelashes. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna unbox those dolls from my least favorite to my favorite. And we're gonna wash those dolls as well from my least favorite to my favorite. So if you stick around, you're gonna see my favorite girls. Sounds like fun? Well, let's go! And now the display looks like this. Alejandra, Erin, Poppy, Amira, Natalia, and Eugenia. Well, and the older dolls are there in the back. And we do want to unpack some of these. I think we're gonna unpack the basics. Okay, so the dolls that we're gonna be unboxing today is Natalia, it is Poppy, and it is Erin. And we're gonna start with my least favorite, although I love them all. Yeah, so the least favorite, poor girl. Oh, I love her. It's Erin. Okay, why do we start with her? Well, I'll be honest, there is just something a little bit off about the skin tone of her head and the rest of her body. I've seen collectors kind of complain about it in the past, and yes, I admit I do see that issue as well. So that's why she's not the winner. Well, anyway, let's unbox this beautiful girl. As soon as I started, there were complications. So a piece of this earring got broken up and it's now making noise inside her head, and I cannot get over that. So we're gonna have to put her on a heating pad and remove the head and remove the little piece of the earring. Miss Erin's out. The skin tone has been fixed. Obviously the dress is great. And I think my favorite thing about this girl are her shoes. Or is that a mean thing to say? This is the manicure. These are the earrings. Hey doll, are you enjoying today's video? Well, if yes, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. You know the drill. Alright dolls, and now let me show you the 3 dolls that we're going to wash and fix today. We have this beautiful Kyori, and then we've got this wonderful Veronique and Natalia. And so we're gonna fix them up, we're gonna wash them, fix their eyelashes, everything, and they're gonna wear these 3 wonderful custom handmade dresses. So make sure to stick around so that you know who's gonna wear what. We're gonna start off with this girl, Veronique. As you can see, she has stunning hair, an irresistible face, but she has some sort of yellowing going on, you know, it's an older doll, and unfortunately the Integrity dolls do have that issue that once they become a bit older, you know, they get yellow. So the yellowing is pretty noticeable here. She actually does not have lashes, so our work here is not gonna be that difficult. But anyway, let's get going. This fabric is really something. Give me rose gold any minute of the day. This boa didn't come with the dress. It's a gift from my friend Justin. But I thought it fit her perfectly. It's kind of hiding her yellow arms. Hey doll, are you subscribed to our channel? Alright dolls, I hope you're having as much fun as I am. So let's keep going. We're gonna now unbox this beautiful Natalia. She's my number 2 out of the 3, only because I already have a doll that's pretty similar. Well, other than that, she's a complete goddess. I'm in love with the swimsuit, just her colors and the shoes, Love the hot pink, love the plastic strap. Okay, well, let's free her up. Miss Natalia in the house. She decided to wave at you guys. These sunnies are another level. Very similar manicure to Erin. Earrings and a bracelet. So now we're going to fix up this second-hand beautiful Natalia, which looks pretty much just like the previous one we just unboxed, but obviously they're not the same. Once I'm done fixing her, we're gonna show them side by side so that you can see for yourself. But yeah, this doll has some pretty messed up lashes that we're gonna have to fix. There's gonna be quite some work. Also, there's this like piece of tape in her hair. Okay, well, we're gonna help you out, girl. I can't decide if she looks more summery or royal. I made this ring for her, a multi-ring. Do you want a tutorial? She's missing, I think, 2 eyelashes, but that's for another tutorial as well. Now let's look at these 2 together. These 2 Natalias really look alike. They definitely look like sisters or maybe even twins. What do you think? Is it just me? Or are they really nearly identical? Do you prefer one more than the other? Let me know in the comments. Hey friend, don't forget to check us out on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook at psychoDOLLogist. Yes, we are everywhere, so find us and let's become friends. So this is the last doll that we're gonna unbox today. It's Poppy. So yeah, she's my favorite out of the 3 dolls we're unboxing today. And there's just something super darling about her face. Her lips are so like juicy and plump. I love that color. And she has these unique, cute shoes. I mean, there's really nothing not to like about this doll. So she's basic, but yeah, in my opinion, she's not basic at all. So are you ready to be unboxed? Hello, puppy girl. So this is how her hair looks right outside of the box. As you can see, it's a little bit messy, but it's the cut. But yeah, I kind of didn't expect that. She's definitely gonna need to be fixed. That's a cute dress. And she has panties. A really cute bracelet. And the shoes, like, the shoes are just amazing. And short nails. And that's her earring too. Well, let's look at the hair more. You see that? Like these kind of flyaways? I know it's to cut, but still, I don't expect an expensive doll like this to have this messy hair. But yeah, she's still my favorite though. And the last doll we're gonna fix up today, my favorite out of the three, is this beautiful girl, Kyori. Yes, Kyori might be my favorite character out of Integrity Toys dolls. And this one's just, I don't know, it's like classic beauty, but also quite dramatic. And I think her lashes are actually the worst out of all of them. I mean, when you're gonna see the before and after, whoo, girl. Okay, well, and her legs are kind of yellowing. But you know, as long as they wear clothes that kind of like hides it or is not so noticeable, I just prefer to keep their original bodies. And if it ever really bothers me, you know, I'm gonna get the replacement bodies. But I'm good for now. Let's help you, miss. How to fix eyelashes of fashion royalty, poppyparker, and other similar dolls? I'm gonna show you how I do it in 3 simple steps. Soak a Q-tip in hot, nearly boiling water and then soak the eyelashes. Step 2. Use an interdental brush. First, brush the lashes down and then up. Step 3. Use a pin to micromanage individual unruly lashes. Voila! Extra tip. Use tweezers or mini pliers to straighten bent lashes. If you turn the doll upside down and rest her head on a table, you're gonna be able to see the lashes better. Before she looked angry and sad, now she looks angry and pretty. Yay! Kyori is my favorite darling. So these are our 3 unboxed dolls. Let me know in the comments who's your favorite. Is it Erin? Is it Natalia? Or is it Miss Poppy? Time to display the girls. You guys, I'm well aware this is a mess. This I don't even consider a display. This is more or less storage. Yeah, this is all over the place, but you know, it is what it is, and it's a constant work in progress, am I right? I think we're gonna place some of the dolls into this room. Guess it's kind of like a fancy shop. I don't know how I feel about the whales on the sides though. Need to find some better wallpaper. Okay, the ladies are placed. But guys, I'm aware I need to kind of improve the interior design of this room because, I mean, they're super fancy, but this shop is selling what? Swimsuit? Doesn't quite add up, I feel like. Well, we are now nearing the end of the video, and I thought I would show you guys the 2 dolls that have been here with us the whole time. You want to see that? They came like 2 days ago, so they're very fresh around here. Okay, let me get that. So these are my first East 59th dolls. Yes, that's true. These are my first. And this is Aurelia. And this is Coralynn. And I'll be honest, you guys. So I really love the promo images of them. Fell in love first with Aurelia because I don't know, it was just something like so swag about her. But then, you know me, I'm a sucker for Asian dolls, so eventually I gave in, had to get Coralynn too. But then when I actually got them and I opened their boxes and saw them for the first time with my real eyes, I wasn't sure what I thought. They just look a bit different from the promo images. I don't know, like, you be the judge. Well, now seeing it on the phone, she looks really good. I'm a huge fan of the clothes, but like the, I don't know. And I didn't know how to feel about her oversized lips. I loved it on the promo images, but then in real life I was like, I don't know, they're really big. But I think they're growing on me. Every time I see them, I like them more. So I think these will be keepers. I think so. And what do you guys think about the East 59 dolls? Let me know in the comments below. Alright dolls, I have questions. Which one of the 3 dolls we unboxed is your favorite? Which one of the 3 dolls that we fixed today is your favorite? And which one of the 3 dresses we used was your favorite? I just want to know all your opinions basically, so please share them with me in the comments. You may have noticed that we answer all of your comments, and mostly it's my husband, but I want you to know that I do read every single one of your comments. I do read my husband's responses. I'm updated and aware of everything, you guys. Alright, that's it for today, dolls. I hope you had fun with me. This was a pretty loaded video. Let me know what you think about this concept of us doing all these different things in the comments. Let me know if you want more Integrity Toys content or if you prefer Barbie. Just spill it all out. Anyway, on the next screen, I'll show you some recommendations of what you can watch next. Yes, we do have some more IT content for you. So I'll see you in one of the other videos. But for now,